I want to show you something, how to identify a natural face on a quartz rock. So a lot of times you'll get a cut and polished quartz that will have a face that's smooth, that, a collector has just cut the quartz, and you'll see sort of, you can tell the cut pattern in the quartz. But when you find a raw quartz, you can see the natural face, and you can tell by the grooves that are in that quartz how it has grown and actually formed. And here you see a natural quartz, two sides of this quartz. Now this quartz, if it was intact, you see those two faces right there. This would be a a six-sided quartz. It would be fairly large if it were intact, and you can tell, where the natural breaks have occurred. But you are able to very easily see these two planes that are the face of this quartz, and you see that nice ridge line there between the two. But you can tell how it's naturally grown, and you see the other mineral lines, and obviously there's different layers of this particular quartz that have grown together. But you see the natural pattern of the stone and how it has grown in this particular piece. And if I illuminate, you can see the different levels and how they've separated, based on how the light passes through it. It doesn't allow it to completely pass through it. But what's unique about that is, it's one thing, it's pretty awesome to be able to see, that in nature when you find one of these, because you can recognize how large this quartz might have been if it would have remained intact. It was a very large piece of, raw quartz. It has some beautiful blue and gray inside there. It has obviously some clear, but the dark browns and grays are all unique. And I really like when I find one of these in nature. It is awesome because you get to see a little piece of what that guy, no telling how large he was before he broke up, but obviously it was a very nice large piece at one time. But anyway, I hope that helps you. When you see this, look for those flat surfaces, because that is a flat face of that crystal, its natural face.